All living organisms live in Earth's biosphere. The biosphere comprises numerous different ecosystems. Each ecosystem supports various species of living organisms in ecological communities. Each species is composed of one or more populations. In biology, population refers to groups of organisms belonging to the same species that live in the same area and have the capability of interbreeding. Members of a population share the same gene pool. Populations most commonly form when some individuals become isolated from a larger population. This isolation may occur for a variety of reasons. For example, a group of chimpanzees may migrate to a new location in search of food. They may become separated by distance from the original population. Because of their physical location, members of the group are unable to mate with any other chimpanzees. The migrating chimpanzees have formed a new population. Populations are often isolated by geographic barriers. Such barriers include mountains, bodies of water, and deserts. A river that changes course may form a barrier that prevents the fish in one stream mating with fish from another stream. A glacier could isolate a population of goats that migrates across a mountain range. Isolation affects the genetics of a species because it reduces the opportunity for interbreeding of a species. Less interbreeding results in a less varied gene pool within the species. Clearing of forests for human development results in patches of forest, fragmenting the forest. Scientists have studied the effects of forest fragmentation on isolated animal and plant populations. Catastrophic events such as forest fires or volcanoes can also lead to the isolation of populations. A bird species population may be isolated if a storm blows some individuals onto a remote ocean island. The original population of these Galapagos finches most likely arrived on the islands in this manner. Sometimes a population may be suddenly reduced in number. Overhunting of northern elephant seals in the 19th century almost led to their extinction. However, the small remaining population rebounded. Scientific research shows that their population has less genetic variation than southern elephant seals that were not overhunted. These genetic bottlenecks are an important phenomenon because small populations with low genetic diversity are less resilient to environmental change and more vulnerable to extinction. Some populations are continuous across a geographic area, but characteristics of the most distant members of the population may differ. For example, eastern bluebirds share the same gene pool with mountain bluebirds. However, they each have different colorings and behaviors. Population biology explains the evolution of new species. Over time, genetic changes accumulate in isolated populations. If the changes are large enough, the isolated population is no longer able to interbreed with the original population, thus becoming a new species. This principle is the basis of the amazing variety of life on Earth.